Sofreh is such a cool story. The owner chef is a woman who's been a very successful caterer for a long time.
Nushijan, enjoy it. Sofreh's mission is we do traditional, authentic Persian food. Sofreh literally means a piece of ceremonial cloth, but it also means community, food, gathering, and breaking a bread around it. And that's what Sofreh is for me.
She's in her 50s and she just opened her first restaurant, and it is amazing. And the New York Times raved about it when they reviewed it. They actually did a giant piece on her, and I kind of fell in love with this woman before I ever even went there.
I did other things. I finished a master's degree. I became a mom. But cooking has been my constant passion, and that's how Sofreh came about. I was worried. I look at average chef in the kitchen, 30 years old, average age, or even younger, and I was like, oh my God, I'm so old. That really terrified me, and I just closed my eyes and went for it. Nothing needs anything, salt or, it's just perfect.
We had some of everything. All of the dips were great. I loved the lamb shank. The chicken is just melt in your mouth. But everything was fabulous.
The nature of Iranian cooking, everything takes time. They still need to sit and the flavors keep coming together. It smells like heaven.